Hi, my name's Scott.
I'm Wes.
And today we're going to show you a seatbelt finish on a single leg takedown.
Nice.
You're on camera saying that?
I know.
Okay, so when we're attacking the single leg, we need to pick which leg we're going to be attacking. In this case, we're going to be attacking the right leg. So the first thing I need to do is choose my own position, and I need to force him to expose the leg that I want to attack. So I'm going to do that just by pulling him towards me. Once I've done this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to lift with my forearm on the back of his tricep, and then I'm going to shoot my right arm towards his leg as I change my level. From here, I take my head, I put it on the inside of his belly, and I suck his leg between my knees, and I squeeze. From here, I'm going to take my right arm, I'm going to shoot it up towards his butt cheek and hold it really tight to my shoulder. I'm going to take my left arm here, I'm going to reach around towards his hip. After I've done this, I'm going to step across his body with my right foot. I'm going to throw my hips in, and I'm going to lean back.
Oaths.
Oaths!